Hello, I'm back with another review. This time is about this planner. It's the Erin Condren. I haven't subscribed to Erin Condren for years, so I'm so excited like it's the first time. So let's see what we have in the box. It's hard to make this fit, but okay. So first it comes Life Made AC, and I guess this is the introduction of all the people that were here. I have a 20% code that I cannot show, but it's an inside of the organization, planners, holiday gift guide. Very interesting. Very. So let's put to one side, and it comes with a blue, kind of like teal color paper. The first things, I went crazy on the website as soon as I subscribed, so of course I got more than maybe I was planning to get. So let me get everything that is inside this box. There is. This is the planner. We will go first for the planner, and I think, oh, it opens, opens like a little box like this. I like that, so you can keep your planners safe every year, and you can use also like a memory box, I guess, and put things that you have in your planner. I don't know, we will see. And yes, I got my planner. Oh, it's so cute. Let me take this off. They take a lot of care to put these together, and you can personalize these planners. It's the good part about making the planner. You put the name that you want. So it has a ruler. Perfect. The front is personalized. I selected to have like a more fall cover, but with colors that I really like. Then I have here, let me see what is in this package, 1 second. Okay, this is a welcome to the Erin Condren family. Let me see what I have in the package, because I don't want to take something that is wrong and you cannot see. This package has a little circle that I'm not for what. I'm not sure. Maybe it's something to put on name or something. Oh, I see. You can put on the planner box. Good idea. Okay, perfect. Then you have this little card that is your potential is endless. Oh, these are like happy cards that you can give to somebody too, or just put in your planner too. Then I have, let me see here, I'm trying to be careful, just a little something from, okay, I don't know what it is, but I will check. Enjoy to from, it's like a gift card. And what is this? I think it's a sticker. I'm not sure. It looks like a sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. Also, you can put it maybe in a present, like a gift. I have okay, here I have a 20% off on my next purchase, and it has the code in this side, so I will not show, but it's really nice. And enjoy your gift from, or gift to you, a circle label, compliment card, gift label, friends and family discount card. Oh, nice. I like that. Very nice. Okay, let's see the planner. So the planner is, oh, it's cute. It has here this is like a wet erase board that you can write, and I have the markers because in years before, when I have my first planner, I got the wet erase marker, so they are still working, and I will use here maybe. It has a clear code. Oh, the design is actually in the clear paper. Really nice. I went for the black and white, we will say, style. Okay, this part, I'm not sure about this part. I don't know if this is two there. Okay, let's move. And I went for the silver one. I usually go for gold or rose gold. I wanted the silver because it gives a little more clear for whatever cover you have. So there is. When you go on the website and you are planning your planner, you can ask for the 18 months or just the 2021. I went for the one that goes from, because it was not an option for November, from October to December of 2021. So it has a month in a glance for the glance from 2020 and 2021. Then new beginning, mid set, new focus, start. I like this 3 6 12. It can work for the 12 months of the next year. I have plans for that, and I have also a white paper that it can really work for, you know, I have so many things in my mind, but we will see what happens. So it begins in October for me. The color of October was like a light blue. This is the only colors that you have. Everything else is very clear, and it has like beginning of the month if you want to work something. If you want to decorate, you can just cover the colors and put in the colors that you want. I like a dot area, more clear, more stripes, and many options to work there. This will be the hourly planner, and it goes from 6 in the morning to 7. I usually stay awake later, and work can be sometimes until 9 or 10, you never know, but the function is in that, and I was looking so much for having the early planner, and I'm looking for different kind of options. This goes like having a lot of space, so you can also plan for half hours and everything. Very clear, no color in this, and this is, what did it say, September? Oh, it's because it begins like October, so it has the extra paper. I will be removing the extra that I don't need, and it goes in the same way for all the months. This is more like a light lavender, goes in the same way, and again light blue, a little peach color or blue, lavender, light blue, and peach. So those are all that it comes, and it goes to the May until December. There is November, December, and then at the end of that it keeps in touch. These are names and maybe for address. The calendars for 2022 and some notes, maybe if you want to go adding something special there. Stickers, very nice colors, pastel colors I will say, or neutral, like it's supposed to be in real the definition for this planner. I like it. Oh, it has like trackers to do this week, cancel, reschedule, today, and some nice dots. What else it has? I remember that they have stickers, but they were usually different. Oh, these are so cute. I love the pastel colors. Birthday, celebrate, just clear box, well, kind of clear, and more like cupcakes and cakes. Oh my gosh. And I think this is more like I don't think this works for this kind of planner. What is this? Oh, wait, I'm not totally sure if this is the link. Oh, they are clear boxes. I see now. So this is one box, another box there, so it goes in different colors. Got it. And it has a little pocket here with plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. And this is a perpetual calendar with so you can put birthdays and contact information, and finish with another like wet erase board. Really nice. It's very simple. It will be perfect for work, and I will be decorating anyway because why not? I love the cover, and because I love the cover and I went crazy with that, I got more colors. Why not? I got one that is like a winter cover. Let me see. Here. I like in light blue and white because it will be like my winter cover. You know me, I love seasons and I love to have for every season everything. So why not? Then I got this one. I like this one. It's more like a wedding anniversary or spring, the New Year day. I don't know, I really love this. It's very simple, very feminine, so it is cute. I did this one because it was just, you know, Halloween, and I say, oh, I will do it anyway. And I love that it's the colors of, it's dark, but at the same time has all the little gauze with really nice colors. Really loving this. If I can do everything related to seasons, I love. And more this time, I feel like I'm doing more. And of course I got elastics that will be perfect for, I wanted to have just the silver one, but they don't sell just one. It's all okay. In case that it gets bad, I will be using the others in the future. So it comes like gold, rose gold and silver. And silver was the color that I really was looking. I think it looks so cute in that way. I love it. And you know what I got here? This is a little welcome package, I think. Oh, this is like enjoy with love, happy day. Some more cards that you can use. And happy birthday, just a little something from. That's so nice. It's a hello and welcome. Thanks for your first orders. Simplify and stylize gift giving. I think I say in the wrong way. Enjoy this free gift label, 2 size, and come back. Well, I actually came back and I have another order on the way. And I will share with you this order when they arrive. But for now, I'm so excited to go and do some planning on this one. It will be so fun. I am happy to get back this one. We'll see how it goes. The last time it was like between a love and hate, but it was also the beginning of me really crafting and doing planner. Now I'm a little more free and less afraid to be making mistakes. I will make mistake, I don't care, I will be happy. Anyway, so this is my new planner, one of my planners, and I know you will see me planning in different planners and everything. Is my stress-free time. It's the way that I stop of being worried about work or anything and just enjoy. I hope you have fun watching this video, and like I say, it's just fun, and this is my only way to have extra spend and everything. I know, I love this. Anyway, I'm sorry the lighting is really bad, but I try to do it as soon as it arrives. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.